Just had my 14th Big Mac. Inflation where? Polls say most of America hates me. Fake news. I'm shutting the government down during the day and having theme parties at night. Believe me, you're too broke to step on the lawn. I'm bailing out Argentina. America can eat their meat. I'm the second colored president in U.S. history, and the first orange one. Currently trying to get $230 million from taxpayers. Cry about it, then send the check. I love all my children, especially Ivanka. She's the hot one. I'm handing out 50-year mortgages. Pay it off when you die.